I had. Alright, alright, let's see. So this is what it is right here. Alright, let's see what I get. Let's see what I get. Open. No, I'm gonna look at it. Gosh darn it. But that's it, I guess. Also, guys, here's my base after all the trading I did with the guy. You can check my other video. So I have nothing anymore because I traded like basically everything for all of this. So I'm just an upgrade or a downgrade. And yeah, let's go.